So let's solve the number 7th question. We are asked to solve the AP given the sequence and find the 99th time and the nth term. Okay. Take note that the formula for an AP, the term of an AP, is A plus n minus 1 common difference. So to get the 99th term, we are solving for t99. The first term of this equation, of this sequence, is 6. So I'll put 6 here. And my n is the number of terms I am looking for, which is 99 minus 1. My common difference is 3. If I add 3 to 6, I'll get 9. Add 3 to 9, I'll get 12. Add 3 here, add 3 here, you get 18. So my common difference, D, is 3. Put it outside there. Then we solve. This is 6 plus 99 minus 1 is 98. So I'll have 98 times 3. So we point multiplication first. 98 times 3. This will give me 294. We add it to 6. We'll have 300. So my T99 is equal to 300. Then the next thing we are asked to get is our nth term. Our nth term, that means our answer will be in terms of n. Okay? So we just substitute. The first term is T6 plus our n, we don't know. That is what we are looking for, the nth term. Then our common difference is 3. We operate 6, okay, 6 plus, open bracket, 3 times n, this is 3n, 3 times 1, this is minus 3. We are looking for nth term. So 6 minus 3 will give me 3. 6 minus 3 will give me 3. Alright, so my nth term is given by 3n plus 3. So with this formula now, you can get any term of the given sequence or any term of the sequence you are looking for, this given sequence. You can get the 20th term of the sequence using your nth term, or you can use your formula direct and solve it.